Hello everyone. The common mistakes in English. Please suggest me something. It is wrong. Please suggest something. Confusing pace of words in English. Dose. Amount to be taken at one time. The doctor gave dose of medicine to the patient. So they have difference between the dose and dose. So dose, light, sleep. He was found dozing in the class. So this is difference between the dose and dose. Thank you. Next, hello everyone. The common mistakes in English sentences. I saw a dream last night. It is wrong. So, I had a dream last night. Thank you. Hello everyone. Common mistakes in English sentences. This restaurant is open every day. So, we cannot say like that. This restaurant is open every day. No. This restaurant is open every day. Thank you. Hello everyone. Confusing pace of words. Childish, childlike. So they have two different words. They have right childish and childlike. So like a child. Nobody likes a childish way. So they sing about the behavior. Childish is nothing but behavior. Childlike. Innocent or childlike simplicity one has over. So this is the person, about the person. So this is the difference between the childish and childlike. Thank you. Hello everyone. Common mistakes in expressions. We are five in my family. We cannot say that. We are five in my family. It's wrong. There are five of us in my family. There are five of us in my family. Thank you. Okay, already in our English sentences, we are using the make and do. So they have difference between the what is a make and what is a do. So a phone call, a decision, make a cake, make a mistake, make a comment, make a promise, make a dinner. So we can use this type of things to make. So do the dishes, do the laundry, do the housework, do a favor, do your best, do nothing, do your nails. Thank you. Hello everyone. This is about preposition, how we want to use here, on, in, at. So, on, days and dates. We can use on in days and dates. On Tuesday, on Saturday, on 5th April, on 12th March 2019, on Sunday mornings, on Christmas Day, on my birthday. So, in we can use in the longer periods. In 2010 and 18th century, in the 1960s, in the next century, in the Ice Age, in the February and in the Middle Ages. Next, at the time of day, at sunset, at sunrise, at bedtime, at noon, at dinner time, at midnight, at 11:30 p.m. So, thank you. Hello everyone. Common mistakes in English sentences. Mention not sir. We cannot say that. Mention not sir. Don't mention it sir. What we have to say? Don't mention it sir. Thank you. Hello everyone. Expressions. We have commonly say as a different type of expressions in wrong way. So my son suggested to go for a walk. My son suggested to go for a walk. It's absolutely wrong. My son suggested going for a walk. My son suggested go for a walk. Thank you. Hello everyone. Common mistakes in English sentences. What is time in your watch? It's wrong. What is time by your watch? It is correct. See, what is time by your watch? We cannot say that. What is time by your watch? We want to say that. Yes, thank you. Hello everyone. Confusing pairs of words in English. Floor, floor. So they have two words, right? Floor and floor. Floor. Ground wheat. What is meant by floor? It's a ground wheat. And the bread is made up of flour. And floor. The lower surface of the house. Lower surface of the house. This house has a beautiful floor. This house has a beautiful floor. So, thank you. Hello everyone. Next one.